People don't treat you the way you deserve. They treat you the way you silently allow. And without realizing it, you've been training them how to handle you. Do this once and watch how uncomfortable they become. In this video, you'll understand the hidden social rule that decides who gets respected and who gets used, and the one subtle shift that instantly changes how people position themselves around you. Chapter 1. The silent contract. You never meant to sign. You let small comments slide. You laugh when something slightly disrespectful is said about you. You answer messages immediately even when they ignore yours for hours. When someone changes plans last minute, you say it's fine. When someone interrupts you, you stop talking. When someone crosses a line, you convince yourself it wasn't that serious. The more flexible you become, the less careful people are with you. And you've started wondering, why does it feel like the nicer you are, the less you're valued? And once a role is assigned, it tends to stick. That's the silent contract, and you never remember signing it. Chapter 2. The comfort of predictability. Here's the darker layer. People feel safest around predictability, not kindness. If they know you won't challenge them, they relax. If they know you won't call them out, they push slightly further. If they know you'll adapt, they stop adjusting. This isn't cruelty, it's human efficiency. Think about it. Why do some employees always get the extra workload? Why does one sibling always compromise during family arguments? Why does one friend always drive, always plan, always apologize first? But everyone senses who will absorb the tension. And once that pattern stabilizes, breaking it feels disruptive. That's why when you change once, just once, the room feels different. Chapter 3. The pattern break. The shift begins quietly. You stop over-explaining. You stop responding instantly. You stop softening your tone after someone oversteps. At a coffee shop, someone interrupts you mid-sentence. This time you finish your thought without speeding up. No confrontation, just steadiness. The room notices, because the brain flags broken patterns immediately. Have you noticed how silence feels louder when it's intentional? Chapter 4. The reaction tells you everything. When you change once, reactions expose truth. Some people lean in, they respect it. Some pull back, they preferred the older version of you. In a New York networking event, when you decline something confidently, the tone shifts. Not because you were aggressive, because you were defined. And defined people are harder to casually step over. That's the real shift. Not louder, not colder, just clearer. If one small boundary changes someone's attitude, what was holding the power before? Break the pattern once this week. Don't explain, don't rush, don't soften. Then watch who becomes uncomfortable. Subscribe if you're done being the convenient option.